Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. We will see what it is as we proceed. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Lady, Key and Mountain. So, in your circumstances today, Cancers, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing some difficult circumstances, something challenging you, and you need to solve those challenges or overcome those challenges if you want to progress forward. So, in your work, maybe you are seeing some delays or suspensions, something you cannot avoid, and you don't know how to move forward or overcome these problems you see in your work or maybe in your personal life. There may be some difficult circumstances and you are unable to handle it, guys, feeling really stressed or sad, don't know how to go about maybe, and you have a lot going on in your mind today, Cancers. Maybe you are a very good a person with a lot of skills and talents, feeling really confident about yourself, about your skills and talents. But however hard you are trying today, you do not see clarity. And for some of you, you have someone here to help you. Maybe there is a woman in your life, maybe it may be the person you love. So they are here to help you in some ways, guide you in some ways maybe. Or if you are a woman, you have your person you love. So they are here to help you, guide you in some ways, help you in these difficult circumstances, trying to find the right solution or right answer. And Cancers, this card here, this is a very lucky card, guys. So maybe this key card, it just denotes that whatever obstacles or struggles you are facing today, you just need to make that honest efforts, truthful efforts, trying to do your best, and you are going to get that answer, whatever it is, whatever your circumstances are. You are going to come out of it, guys, without any difficulty. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Heart. Again, a very positive card. This card stands for that affection, love and compassion you feel for each other. Maybe you love each other a lot, you have that deep understanding, love, and you may share a great intimacy. Attraction is there in this relationship. That may be the reason whatever troubles you are seeing in your life, in your relationship, whatever it is, your love is going to help you overcome all that, guys. So your love will win all troubles. That is what I see, guys. Cancers. So in your circumstances, whatever it may be, this person is there for you. They are trustworthy, loyal, dedicated, and you both share a mutual understanding. So, for your career circumstances, Cancers, we have Cross. So, maybe in your work, you are you have seen a lot, you have faced a lot, you have a lot of experience, but today you must think with a clear mind, feel really calm and composed if you want to make the right choice. So, if you are interested in meditation or some kind of a spiritual practice, you can take that up, guys, because that is going to help you, really help you deep down to feel that calmness and quietness in your life today, Cancers. And that is going to help you in a positive way in your work situation also. So, for your moon energies, Cancers, such an apt card for you all today. It says confidence is the key to success. So, maybe in your circumstances, in your work, or in your personal life, you must be willing to do your bit. So, you are proud of yourself. Maybe you know what are your talents and skills and what is your position, maybe. Whatever it is, you must live up to that. Make those efforts and strive hard, go that distance, whatever needs to be done. And there is a good start, a great beginning waiting for you, great news in your work or in your personal life. But you must be ready to make the efforts on your part, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the P, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition, whatever it is. The intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card for those who chose this card. It's happy, happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.